Today, all eyes also on Capitol Hill. Senators on the Finance Committee grilling Robert F. Kennedy Jr. on leading Health and Human Services Department. Erica Brown has more on the contentious confirmation hearing from Capitol Hill.
There's been a lot
Senators critical of HHS Secretary pick Robert F. Kennedy Jr. did not mince words at Wednesday's confirmation hearing.
Frankly, you frighten people.
Kennedy has a decades-long record of controversial views on health and medicine. In his opening remarks, he emphasized his agenda to make America healthy again and tried to clarify his stance on vaccines.
News reports have claimed that I'm anti-vaccine or anti-industry. I am neither. I am pro-safety.
Senate Democrats forcefully pressed him on the issue.
Are you lying to Congress today when you say you are pro-vaccine? Or did you lie on all those podcasts? We have all of this on tape, by the way.
Republican Senator Tom Tillis of North Carolina gave Kennedy a chance to reframe.
Are you a conspiracy theorist?
That is a pejorative, Senator, that's applied to me, mainly to keep me from asking difficult questions.
New Hampshire's Democratic Senator Maggie Hassan grilled Kennedy on his views on abortion.
When was it that you decided to sell out the values you've had your whole life in order to be given power by President Trump?
Senator, I agree with President Trump that every abortion is a tragedy.
Kennedy struggled to answer questions about how he'd reform Medicare or Medicaid, inaccurately claiming the latter is fully paid for by the federal government. He advocated for healthier foods without widespread bans.
If you like a cheeseburger, a McDonald's cheeseburger, or Diet Coke, which my boss loves, you should be able to get them.
Kennedy will face another round of questioning before the Senate Committee on Health, Education, Labor, and Pensions Thursday. Erica Brown, CBS News, Capitol Hill.
Now, among the lawmakers at the hearing today, Virginia Democratic Senator Mark Warner. I was listening to that hearing as he pressed RFK about a number of subjects, especially the pause on federal funding. I want you to hear this clip where he asked specifically about which employees could be facing more cuts.
I hope, since you're asking to become the top healthcare official in the United States in terms of HHS, huge ramifications, and part of this job is to be the senior advisor to the president on health issues. So when we're looking at this purge and we're looking at laying off workers, but if you are in this position, will you pledge that you will not fire federal employees who work on food safety, work on trying to preventing things like salmonella?
Senator, there are 91,000 employees.
So that I take that as that's a simple yes, and I'm going to take that as a no.
Senator Warner also talked about the hundreds of thousands of Virginians who rely on Medicare and Medicaid and the uncertainty they face surrounding a potential federal funding freeze. If you want to listen to more from today's hearing, you can find that on our website, WUSA9.com.